What if the SUV you trust the most is actually the one most likely to leave you stranded? Every year, millions of drivers face sudden breakdowns, massive repair bills, unexpected towing costs, and zero warning. And the worst part? Many of these failures happen in vehicles that were supposed to be reliable. But not all SUVs play by those rules. There's a small group of models that owners consistently push past 200,000, even 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The catch? Not every model year is built the same, and choosing the wrong one can cost you thousands. In this video, we're breaking down 4 SUVs known for extreme longevity, and the exact years you should and shouldn't buy. If you want to avoid costly surprises and drive with real confidence, this is where it starts. Number 4. The second-generation Honda Pilot. Think of it as the ultimate family workhorse. If you want minivan practicality without the minivan image, this is your answer. It's unapologetically boxy, and that design is exactly what makes it so functional. For maximum reliability, target 2012 to 2015 models. Earlier versions, 2009 to 2011, looked unique, but the 2012 refresh improved transmission behavior, cabin quality, and overall refinement. Avoid the 2016 model, which marks the start of the next generation and introduced a problematic 9-speed transmission on higher trims. Under the hood is Honda's proven 3.5-liter J35 V6 paired with a durable 5-speed automatic. No turbo, no CVT, just a simple, naturally aspirated setup known for longevity. Parts are widely available, and most mechanics know this engine inside out, keeping repair costs manageable. Inside, the Pilot shines with its smart, boxy layout. Visibility is excellent, the third row is actually usable, and there's plenty of storage for real family life. That said, there are a few things to watch. The timing belt must be replaced regularly. Skip it and you risk catastrophic engine damage. The VCM system can lead to oil consumption over time, but many owners install an inexpensive device to prevent issues. Also, expect suspension wear like control arm bushings past 100,000 miles. Maintain it properly, and this SUV can easily surpass 300,000 miles. Clean examples typically range from $8,000 to $14,000. It's tough, practical, and built to handle everyday chaos without complaint. Number 3. The Chevrolet Tahoe GMT 900. This is the definition of an American workhorse. Built from 2007 to 2014, the GMT 900 Tahoe strikes a rare balance between modern comfort and old-school toughness. It's the kind of SUV trusted by law enforcement, government fleets, and job sites because it can handle abuse that would destroy most crossovers. For the best ownership experience, stick with 2012 to 2014 models. By then, GM had resolved many early electrical issues. Avoid the 2007 model year, which suffered from oil consumption problems, battery drain, and interior quality issues. Also be cautious with 2015 and newer models, as they introduced an 8-speed transmission known for shuddering and costly failures. The earlier 6-speed automatic, 6L80, is far more dependable. Under the hood is the proven 5.3-liter Vortec Viv 8, part of the legendary LS-based family. It's a simple pushrod engine, no turbos, no complexity, just strong torque and easy maintenance. Parts are cheap, widely available, and most mechanics can work on it without hesitation. The driving experience feels solid and substantial. It's quiet on the highway, comfortable over long distances, and built like a tank. However, the biggest concern is active fuel management, AFM. The system can cause lifter failure, leading to ticking noises and misfires. A full repair can be expensive, but many owners opt for a permanent fix by removing the system entirely. Other minor issues include cracked dashboards and peeling interior door handles, mostly cosmetic and inexpensive to fix. Maintain it properly, and this Tahoe can push 300,000 to 400,000 miles. Expect prices between $10,000 and $16,000. It's rugged, simple, and built to last. Proof that sometimes less technology means more durability. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia, second generation. This is Toyota at its most extreme. Built on the same platform as the Tundra, powerful, and built for long-term punishment. It's not small, it's not efficient, but it's incredibly dependable. For the best reliability, focus on 2012 to 2017 models. Earlier versions from 2008 to 2010 had a few early issues, including occasional cam tower oil leaks and air injection pump failures. The later years improved overall refinement and electronics. At its core is the legendary 5.7-liter iForce V8, producing 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This engine has a reputation for extreme longevity, with similar setups in trucks reaching hundreds of thousands of miles. It uses a timing chain, not a belt, reducing long-term maintenance concerns. Paired with a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission, this SUV handles towing with ease. Despite its truck roots, the independent rear suspension delivers a smoother ride than most pickups, making it ideal for long family trips. One standout feature is the power rear window, which rolls all the way down, perfect for airflow or pets. As for downsides, cam tower leaks can occur over time. They're usually minor but expensive to fix due to labor. Some owners simply monitor oil levels instead. With proper care, this SUV can reach 400,000 to 500,000 miles. Prices typically range from $13,000 to $22,000. It's big, tough, and built to last, an SUV that rarely quits. But taking the top spot is the benchmark, an SUV so respected it barely loses value over time. Number 1. The 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. You probably saw this coming. The 4Runner isn't just popular, it has a loyal following. In a market full of turbocharged crossovers and hybrids, this SUV stays true to its roots. Body on frame, naturally aspirated, and built for the long haul. The best years to target are 2015 to 2024, though even the earlier 2010 to 2013 models are just as reliable. They simply cost less and look a bit more dated. The truth is, there are no major years to avoid. Just be cautious of rust or poorly modified examples. Power comes from a 4.0-liter V6 paired with a 5-speed automatic. On paper, it sounds outdated, and critics love to point that out. But that's exactly why it works. It's understressed, overbuilt, and incredibly dependable. No gear hunting, no overheating, just consistent performance year after year. Driving it feels old school in the best way. It leans in corners, dives under braking, and reminds you it's a truck at heart. Many trims even feature a manual transfer case lever, adding a level of mechanical connection that's disappearing in modern vehicles. Maintenance is straightforward. The engine bay is spacious, and routine services are quick and simple. As for weak points, they're minor. Door lock actuators can fail, and some four-wheel drive models develop a slight differential vibration, both relatively inexpensive fixes. Like any body-on-frame SUV, checking for frame rust is essential. Prices range from $18,000 to $35,000, but resale value is exceptional. Buy one, maintain it, and you're looking at a vehicle that can last a lifetime.